Hi guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to the product rule. So this is basically under calculus, okay, differentiation. So we are going to use this problem to learn how to solve or use the product rule, okay. So we have to find the derivative of h of x, which is equal to x into bracket 2x plus 1. So you can see that the x is multiplied the whole thing in the bracket. Product rule, okay. If you have, let's say, two functions, if you have f of x and g of x, okay, then we can say that the derivative of their product, okay, that is derivative of their product that is the f of x multiplied by g of x dx. So this one, what you do is you differentiate the first one, you hold the second one, okay. So we differentiate f of x, so we get f prime of x. Then we hold the second function, okay, we multiply the second function. That one we are not going to differentiate it. That is what I mean, we hold it, okay. So you differentiate the first one, you multiply it by holding the second function, which is g of x. So we are not going to differentiate g of x. Then plus, now you hold the first one. In this case, the first one is what? F of x. So we get f of x, then you multiply it by the derivative of the what? The second one. That is what? G prime of x, like this. So this is what we call it, the product rule, okay. So we can say that the dx of f of x multiplied by g of x is equal to, we differentiate or we find the derivative of the first function, then we multiply it by the second function of which you haven't differentiate, okay, plus you hold the first function, then you differentiate the second function. This is what we call as the product rule, okay. Good. So let's use this product rule to solve our question. So the question is h of x is equal to x into brackets 2x plus 1, okay. Now we can say that f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1, okay. Now our f of x prime, let's see, f of x prime, what are you going to get? So we need to differentiate this. We are going to get 1. We are getting 1. Then our g prime of x, when differentiate this, we are going to get 2, which is 2, okay. Good, because 2, when differentiate this, we are going to get 2. The constant, when you differentiate a constant, you get 0. So that's how come we are getting 2. Good. So now we are going to put everything in this formula. So you get h prime of x is equal to, our f prime of x is what? So there's it. It was 1. So we get 1 multiplying by g of x. And our g of x is this. So we get 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Plus, now our f of x. Where is our f of x? This is it. It's x. multiply by g of x prime. And where is it? There's it. Okay, which is 2. So now we have to simplify this. So 1 times what is in the bracket, we are getting the same thing. So which is 2x plus 1 plus x times 2 is 2x. Okay. Yes. So we are going to get 2x plus 2x. We are getting 4x plus 1. So now we can say that our h prime of x is equal to 4x plus 1. Good. Now let us solve the second problem. We have to find the derivative of h of x is equal to x into bracket 3x minus 4. Okay, so we get what you need to do is you can say that h prime of x is equal to, we can decide to let x be our f function, so we can get f prime of x multiplied by g of x plus g prime of x multiplied by f of x. See, now our f of x is equal to x, then f prime of x will be 1. Also, our g of x is 3x minus 4. Now, our g prime of x will be, when you differentiate 3x, we get 3. Then when you differentiate a constant, you get 0. So there's no need for you to write it. Now we sub everything back into the formula. So you get h prime of x is equal to, our f prime is 1, bracket g is 3x minus 4 plus g of x prime, we get what? 3. So 3 bracket f of x is x. So to simplify this, we get 3x minus 4 plus 3x. You can see that we get 3x plus 3x, we get 6x minus 4. So we say that therefore our h, that is the derivative of h of x, is equal to 6x minus 4. Good. Now try this one for me. F of x is equal to, so try this one for me. F of x is equal to 2x into bracket x plus 1. Okay, using the product rule. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave your answer in the comment section so that we cross check for you. Thank you.